Happy Friday. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well today, and I hope you are having a wonderful day. So right now we're going to talk about the critical things, the very important details and concerning details that you need to know, you deserve to know when it comes to the economy and the labor market. So we're experiencing a whole lot of things right now when it comes to this economy. In fact, we're seeing the disappointing jobs report for April, and we're seeing so much scarcity, so much low limited supply in so many items in critical sectors of the economy. We're going to talk about that in today's video, and we'll also talk about the unemployment benefits of $300 per week. Some states are calling for this to stop, and in fact a part of government has said that this needs to stop. So if you are currently receiving the $300 per week unemployment benefit, be sure to pay close attention and watch till the very end of this video to avoid missing out on any of these important information. Before we dive in, if this is your first time stopping by this channel, welcome. And if you've been watching but haven't subscribed, you are really missing out. Hit that subscribe button now to avoid missing out on any of these helpful and important economic and financial tips for your financial wellness and success. So let's jump right into it. Give this video a thumbs up as well and share this video. Let's jump right into it. So the April job report shows that that there is a big challenge for President Joe Biden's agenda. So very disappointing April jobs report. I think the report showed that 266,000 jobs were added, and this is well below the expectation from experts and economists. So I want to get your thoughts on this in the comment section below. But this is a big announcement that impacts a whole lot of people, especially people who are home insecure right now. So this goes into the housing sector, and this will impact millions of renters across America. So according to this report, remember, during the American Rescue Plan, or in the American Rescue Plan, there is a provision to extend the eviction moratorium up till September. But right now we are seeing that the DOJ has appealed the federal judge's eviction. So the federal judge basically came through with the ban. So basically said the ban will not hold an eviction moratorium. So he ruled, or she ruled, that the renter, so if you are renting right now and you haven't paid your rent, you could be evicted for lack of payment. So just to unpack this for a second, but the DOJ has appealed the federal judge's eviction moratorium ruling. So there is a fight right now, and you have to watch out, pay close attention if you are currently renting, or if you are covered, or if you've been covered by the CDC eviction moratorium. So want to point this out so people know what's going on, and for landlords and people who own properties, you want to pay close attention to this as well. So there is a DOJ appeal on the federal judge's ruling on the eviction moratorium. So depending on how this goes, a bunch of people, millions of people, could be getting evicted if this appeal does not go through. So just wanted to point that out there pretty quickly. So the other critical thing that we're seeing right now is that small businesses are struggling to recover from the pandemic. And the reason for this right now, the new challenge that they are facing, is not the funding side of things. Yes, they've gotten the PPP loan. Some of them may still have challenges with the funding, but the critical thing that they're going through right now is they cannot find enough workers, or they can't find workers, period. So according to this report from CNBC, small businesses or small business owners are trying to recover and rebuild after the pandemic, or in the wake of the pandemic, and the obstacle that they are facing right now is lack of qualified people to work. So according to this report, it's very interesting. They did point out that some of the industries having issues are the restaurant sector, so the restaurant businesses. So those who own restaurants are having issues finding workers that want to work. But this is the deal. This report points out something very, very critical. It says, according to a senior economist and policy director at the Economic Policy Institute, she did say, I often suggest that whenever anyone says I can't find the workers I need, she should really add at the wages I want to pay. So let's unpack this. So some small businesses are saying, look, we can't find enough workers. But this senior economist from the Economic Policy Institute is saying, look, Don't just stop at I can't find enough workers. Are you paying them enough to attract them? Because right now it looks like some business owners still want to keep the wages at the same rate it was pre-pandemic. Let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. So you have more workers right now who don't want to take the risk and go out there for the same amount of money they were making pre-pandemic. So something critical to know is it apparently looks like workers may be asking for more money to go out and do the same thing they were doing before. Let's get your thought on that in the comment section below, and let me know how you feel about this in the comment section below. But this is a huge challenge that small businesses are having right now. So the other big thing we are seeing for those who are receiving the unemployment benefits, yes, the $300 per week, this is unfortunately likely coming to an end. So this is supposed to last even longer, but some states are opting out of this program. If you live in the state of Montana, the state of Montana has opted to stop the $300 per week unemployment boost, and other states will likely follow suit. And we'll talk about the Chamber of Commerce are actually asking the government, the federal government, to stop the $300 per week unemployment benefits. A lot of people are going to be disappointed. That's why I said hang on till the very end. But here's the case. Here's the argument some states are making. So according to this report from CNBC, Montana State Governor Greg Gianforte, who is a Republican, is ending the state's participation in the $300 per week unemployment benefit as a result of shortage in labor. So labor shortage. So there's not enough workers. So right now it's estimated that the state of Montana is short around 10,000 workers. So in order to incentivize people to go out there and fill these positions or fill this work need, the governor is giving out a $1,200 back to work bonus. So let me know how you feel about this. So basically a month worth of the $300 per week. So some workers don't feel so happy about this, I'm sure, and some people who've been looking for work feel so excited. So let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. Would you rather have the $300 per week or the $1,200 back to work bonus, return to work bonus? Let me know your thoughts. Let me know how you feel about this. I mean, there's no right or wrong answer right now. It all depends on people's situation, and that's why I'm sharing this, just to get you guys' opinion on this very issue. And the Chamber of Commerce, according to The Hill, the U.S. Chamber of Commerce has called on states to scrap the $300 boost to the jobless benefit. So this is even hitting hard. It's coming from the Chamber of Commerce. Now you know things, this is really, really serious. So when the Chamber of Commerce is calling on states to stop this, you know something will be done, and some states are already swinging into action with alternative plans. And to be honest, there seems to be work out there. Yes, I get it. Some workers may not feel comfortable to go out there and work, but you have so many industries, so many sectors who are basically suffering right now. And not just that, inflation is on the increase. Not just that, you do have, I mean, the shortage in lumber, and then you have shortage in other commodities like steel. Like the price of steel, according to a report from CNN, shows that steel prices have tripled, and now the Bank of America is sounding an alarm. So many shortages in supply, and so many supply issues we're seeing right now as a result of shortage in labor force. I want to get your thoughts on this in the comment section below, but just understand that the $300 per week in unemployment boost could be ending sooner than expected. Again, let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below, and as usual, if you have not subscribed, be sure to hit that subscribe button right now and give this video a thumbs up to help other people find this information quicker. Stay safe, see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.